He can't see there. You have to put it in front of his face. Gentle. That's too high. Maybe.
Yeah. Super.
Yeah.
This one has flying power.
Okay, give the toy back or you have to show him. Lower, lower. Good. Oh yeah, there, he got it. Put it in his hand. Put it on his belly. Yeah. There, he got it. Good. Yeah, he got it. Good job, Audrey.
I like the boy. Mommy, I want to do it here.
You can try. It's not gonna stay. It's gonna fall off.
No. Oh, no.
Gentle, gentle.
No.
Oh, he's holding your hand. Yay! Yeah. Very good, very good.
Sit the baby. Sit, sit, sit. Go. Happy? Look, Mommy just Daddy. Oh, look. I see you.
I see you too.
There you are.
There you are.
Mommy.
I see you too. I see you.
Mommy.
Yeah? You're going too far.
There we are.
Audrey, give back the toy to Colton. Put it on his belly. Put it on his belly. No, one's too big. He wants the small one. Small one. No, that's too big. It's too heavy, Audrey. He has to be bigger. He's too small. He needs small toy.
This one.
No, that's too big.
I'm having this one.
No, that's Colton's. You have to give it back, okay?
Don't scratch, Mommy.
Don't what?
Don't scratch.
Oh, yeah, don't scratch. That's right.
Mommy, don't scratch the wig.
Good advice. Good advice. Thank you. Not in your mouth, please. Give it back to Colton. Why? Why? Look, see? He doesn't like it. He said, what happened to my toys? No running with scissors.